Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. So for today's video, I am going to be announcing the winner to my last video's giveaway. Make sure to turn on your post notifications so you do not miss out on the future giveaways. That being said, this is being sponsored by Profiles Backstage. Make sure to check out their site for amazing products at amazing prices. For this giveaway, they have sent me one of their monthly swag bags, and I'm super excited to be able to send it to one of my lucky subscribers. So I did get a lot of inquiries about the monthly subscription. So I did want to kind of share a little bit of details with you guys, just in case you guys are interested, you guys can sign up. So if you're familiar with their website, they have two different options when you're creating an account to be able to shop on their site. So the first one is free. It is their general admission. You are able to register an account with your information and go ahead and start shopping. The second option is their paid monthly subscription. So this is $30, but the perks that come with it, I think, are definitely well worth it. So their monthly subscription comes with products delivered to you monthly, along with discounts on exclusive products on their website, free training, and this is unlimited training, support. If you need any help, they will help you, a referral program, and marketing. I think this is such a unique way to expand your nail inventory and learn at the same time. So it comes with this little card that shows you the design and then the products in the back. Not only do you get the products and the design, they also show you a video tutorial on how to use it. So I do think this is really amazing. If you guys are interested, make sure to sign up. I will link it down below in the description box. This swag bag comes with their butterfly transfer foil, which is really pretty, and it is what I'm using in this video. Their Stick It, which is their transfer foil gel, their shiny top coat, their matte top coat, 3 really pretty nail art brushes. And then it comes with a disposable nail art pad. It's basically just a little pad so you can swatch your colors on there and then dispose of it easily. Like I said, I'll be leaving the link down below if you guys are interested. Make sure to sign up. For today's winner, I did choose randomly off camera because my husband's not here to help me. That being said, congratulations to Karelis97. Congrats, girl. Message me so I can send it out to you. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. That being said, let's get right into the video. Getting right into today's video, I am using the Not Polished Universal tips and applying those onto my practice hand using the Young Nails brush on glue. Now using my craft scissors, I'm just going to be cutting off the tip of the nail. As you guys know, these are stiletto shaped nails, so when you clip off just the tip, it creates the perfect coffin shape. Now I'm taking my peel and stick file from Tammy Taylor and filing the sides of the nails, just making sure that everything is nice and flush to the natural nail. Now this step is optional, but I'm taking my medium sanding band from Profiles Backstage and blending the tip to the natural nail. You don't have to do this, but this does ensure a smooth application process. I'm taking Not Polished Purple White and applying that at the tip, making sure that the shape stays intact and just dragging it lightly down. I like to make sure that the middle section is nice and blended out, so when I do create my ombre look, the transition is flawless. So here I'm taking Nude Panther from Not Polished as well, placing that at the natural nail and blending it down into the white. I do this very, very gently with very light pressure so I do not remove the product. All you want to do is blend it out gently. For the ring finger, I'm just taking Nude Panther and applying that to the entire nail. I'm going to be later applying bling to it. So whenever I'm doing crystals or anything like that, I like to keep the base simple. And I'm just going to repeat the pink and white ombre onto the rest of the nails using the purple, white, and Nude Panther. If you guys want a more in-depth video on how to do ombre nails with acrylic powder, I do have that on my channel, and I will make sure I link that so you guys can watch it if you guys are interested. But for this video, I'm just going to let you guys watch this process. I am using the Sculpt It Like It's Hot brush in the number 6 from Profiles Backstage, along with their acrylic monomer for this set. Now I'm taking Not Polished clear powder and just encapsulating these nails. So for ombre, I like to keep that middle section, typically where the apex would be. That's where I want to build up my acrylic. For these nails, I do not apply a lot of acrylic in the apex area because there's no point. This is a practice hand. However, I still encapsulate at that point down to the tip. We want our cuticle area to be nice and thin and flush to the natural nail. That's why you don't really see me encapsulating that area with nude nails or ombre nails. Once everything is fully dry, I am taking my fine carbide bit from Not Polished. Make sure you use my discount code if you guys are interested in purchasing any of the products named in this video. I'm going in with that and just lightly filing the surface of the nail. I'm not applying too much pressure, and I do have it at about 8,000 RPMs. All I'm doing is smoothing out the surface, and I am not removing bulk product. So I'm using very light pressure and going over it very gently. I am filing the sides of the nails, making sure that the shape is nice and straight. And then I'm going over the top of the surface, just lightly filing once again to make sure everything is super smooth and the transition from the cuticle down to the tip is perfect. Once I'm done filing the sides and the surface, I like to turn my hand around so I can look at the nails from the client's perspective. And I'm just going ahead and filing the tip of the nail, making sure the shape is perfect. Now going in with my sponge buffer from Profiles Backstage, I am buffing out the surface of the nail, making sure everything is nice and smooth in preparation for our top coat or any nail art that we will be applying. Now I'm going in with my lint-free wipe and some swipe and cleansing the surface of the nail and my practice hand, making sure everything is nice and dust-free. Now I'm taking these really pretty butterfly transfer foils from Profiles Backstage, and I'm going to be applying those onto the nails with Stick It. This is a super sticky gel. It's meant for transfer foil, so I do recommend it. I'm applying this onto the nail in a thin layer using just a random nail art brush that I had. You can use whatever is easier for you. Make sure you cover the entire surface of the nail, and you do want to make sure you cure this in the LED light for 60 seconds. Now I did cut my butterflies out while it was in the light, so here I am using those foils and just placing them wherever I want to on the nail. Make sure you are applying this gently and then rubbing it in real good, making sure you're scratching at the foil with your thumbnail. And then once you think it's transferred all the way, you can go ahead and remove the excess foil. And I'm just applying another one right there. Like I said, make sure you are really scratching at it and pressing it into the foil. This will ensure that the whole thing transfers on there. And now I'm using a bigger butterfly onto my middle finger, pressing it firmly on there, scratching at it with my thumbnail, making sure everything is nice and transferred. And then I am going ahead and top coating these nails before I go on to my next design, because I want to make sure that everything is sealed in and I don't have any tacky layer open for any dust or anything to get on them, especially because it is very sticky. You do not want anything getting caught on there. Now I am using the Not Polished Glossit for my top coat, and I'm applying that on my index finger as well. I went ahead and cured my butterfly nails first, and then I started doing this step. I didn't want any of the glitter getting on the butterfly nails, so I am sugaring a really pretty glitter onto my index finger. I don't have my long nails to kind of just scoop it out and pour it on there, so I'm kind of just pinching some into my fingers and pouring it on there that way. So you want to make sure you're doing this step with your gel top coat still wet, pouring some glitter on there, and then you can put it into the light and cure it and seal it into place. Now for my bling nail, I'm taking some gem gel and applying that onto the nail, and then I'm going in with my crystals and placing them onto the surface of that gel. This stuff works really well, and I do highly recommend it for anybody having trouble sticking their crystals onto the nail. What I really like about it is that it's really thick. It doesn't really move out of place when you place it on there, but you still have the option of moving them if you're not happy with where you place the crystals. So I do highly recommend you guys try this out instead of using just regular nail glue to apply them. And I'm just applying them randomly, kind of in the middle section. I like to do this like triangle design and then connect it to the sides of the nails. It's one of my go-to crystal designs. Cure this in the light for a full 60 seconds. And then you want to go in with your top coat. So once it was cured, I took it out of the light, and now I'm using Matte It from Not Polish and applying that around the crystals very, very gently, making sure it doesn't get on any of the crystals. It will dull them out. I like using matte with crystals because it makes them pop a lot more. And that's the same reason why I do a simple background, just so the crystals can be kind of the center of attention. And I went ahead and top coated my thumb as well. That basically concludes this video. Do not forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys so much, and I will catch you guys next time.